What's up, everybody? It's Stephen here from Mod2Fame, and we are back with another video. In today's video, man, we're gonna do a little quick install, something I've been wanting to check out, try out, and that's on dash cams. I'm about to throw in this Wayland's 360 cam in Cheapokitty. What I hope to be able to use it for is for security, one, but more importantly, I want to use it because we got a big track day coming up. That's right. Let's jump into it. Let's go. All right, so let's break in here and see what we got. All right, cool box, nice. Protected by, so that's the security aspect of it. Oh, this is instructions, cool. And this is our camera. Hello, nice. The wiring installation, stuff that we need. So we got our wiring guide, our camera. This is the, all right, so this is the sticky plate. This is 3M sticky plate that goes on the windshield. All right, let's go throw it in the car. Install shouldn't take too long. My understanding is what I have to do is locate the right fuse that I need to pull. It has to be an accessory fuse. They suggest cigarette lighter or radio. You wrap the power or the ground in the ground. You've wrapped the power wire around the fuse and then wrap the ground around some sort of a grounding area, usually next to the fuse boxes right there. So I'm gonna do that now so that we can get this wired up. Come on. Do is find yourself a good power source. What I did was I'm using radio. It needs, like I said, it needs to be something that when you cut the power off, it goes off and is controlled by accessory mode. So as you can see, I'm using that fuse. It's a 20 radio, and now I'm gonna wrap it and put it back in. So what I use here for my intermittent power is the radio fuse. For my consistent power, I use this 25. That's the power seats in the car. And then I grounded it all to the battery right here. So now we can run our wire inside the car. Well, your boy got a problem. So I'm trying to run this all the way. I was trying to run the power cord so I can get it to the camera. And I'm trying to run it all the way to the front of the car. Unfortunately, it's not long enough. So I'm gonna have to get a male-to-male adapter. The good thing is the cord is the same thing as a USB. I think it's called a C. So I gotta get a male-to-male C and then just get another cord to go from the front to finish the rest of the way. So unfortunately, this job is on hold. I'll talk to y'all in a second. Unfortunately, I was gonna have to use an extension and all that. So I might still do that at a later time. But for right now, we just gonna install it in a Ghibli. We gonna install it in Eugene's Maserati and do some testing with it that way. Ignore the Wendy's, we was hungry. He don't know where his owner's manual is. And Maserati, unfortunately, their fuse diagrams are not on the top of the fuse box. So I don't know what fuse is what, but I've already got the ground. We've already routed it through the fender wall. It's coming out here. You can't even see it. We did it so clean, but it comes out of here and it sneaks in to the pillar, right through the pillar, and now it's going to come out right at the dash right there. So as you can see it over there. So it's going to be a nice clean install when we done. As soon as Eugene can get me the wiring diagram, I mean the fuse box diagram, we'll get it wired up and then do some testing. So this is a comparison. This is my Samsung Note 8 that we are filming on right now. It's the same darkness, no light in the interior. This is one view though. It's not 360. This is the view of us. And this would be the view of the street. So look by comparison and see which one you think is better as we drive. See what makes most sense to you. But overall, it seems like a good unit. What I'm looking forward to seeing about using it for later is I think they have like a 0 to 60 tester. I think
that's pretty cool.
So that would be cool if we have access to that. I need you to do some research on that, Gene, since it's in the car with you, and see if it does. I know it has a G-force meter option, which is cool. So we'll look into it and see, right?
Yeah.
And that's it.
Sure.
Guys, time for a channel update. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that the Wayland's installed just now and how much I struggled to get that video done, man. I almost gave up on that thing a couple times, but we stuck with it and we got it done. Before channel update and things that are happening, March 28th, we are taking Cheapokitty back to the racetrack. Not drag racing, road course racing. That's right, we're gonna see what Cheapokitty can do on a road course, hopefully this time in a dry, because the last time it was very, very wet. So looking forward to that. That's at New Jersey Motorsports Park, and spectators are welcome. So if you guys want to come hang out, watch us rip on Thursday, March 28th, that's up to you guys. Come on out. Yo, man, I know, different day, new clothes. Is because, guys, work has been kicking my natural ass. But back with the channel updates. So in addition to 328 track day, we also have set aside what is going to be an awesome event, and it's going to make for awesome content, and that is our airport rental. We rented out an airport runway where we're going to have some of the fastest cars in the Northeast come and go up against myself and Cheapokitty and some of the other guys. One of the highlight cars that I'm looking forward to racing with Cheapokitty when I'm done finished modding it, which means that part of this channel update is telling you guys that the car has to be making anywhere from 820 to 850 wheel horsepower by April 14th. So that gives us 30 days from today to get this car done. Remember, it is now making 719. So we got to finish the car to get it to anywhere between 820 and 850 by April 14th, because that is the airport rental. And I want to go up against two of my buddies are getting McLaren 720s. So one is getting a Spider and the other one is getting a brand new coupe. I plan on running both of them that day. And please, God, I need Cheapokitty to carry out a win against that 720. Brooks from Drag Towns took down my boy Demonology. I want to avenge my teacher's death. Remember, this is roll racing, though. This is not drag racing. So we'll see what's up. But a lot happening, a lot coming, guys. Plenty of content. A lot of the content is going to be getting Cheapokitty ready for the track day and getting Cheapokitty ready to go up against some of the fastest cars in the Northeast on April 14th. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss no more videos going forward. And if you think you have a fast car and have what it takes, I think we got about 10 spots left. You can go to Mod2Fame.com right now, check out what's new, and you'll see the link for the race event on April 14th. But anyway, it's your boy Stephen here from Mod2Fame, and in this here Audi, we out.